What's up guys, Justin here with TheRenderingEssentials.com. So for those of you that are using D5 Render, I wanted to make a quick video because they have a rendering challenge going on right now. And so within that challenge, what you can do is you can submit a rendering in order to try to win some of their different prizes. So they have multiple different prizes, including cash prizes, licenses for D5 Pro, other things like that. So they have an announcement video on their channel, which you can watch. It just gives you kind of an idea of the theme of the rendering challenge. So the theme is distance, and there's more information about this on the forum post that they have, but basically that's the theme for the different renderings that you should be submitting as a part of this challenge. So you can watch the video, which I'll link to in the notes down below. You can also go to the D5 Render Challenge forum post. The D5 Render Challenge forum post is going to give you a little bit more information about what's going on. So first off, they have the theme, which is distance. How far would you go? You can read a little bit more about this, but it's still pretty broad. So you've got a lot of leeway to create the kind of rendering that you would like. And then down below, if you note, they have multiple different prizes. So they have a grand prize of $4,600 US, as well as a 1-year subscription to D5 Pro. So there's 2 first place prizes, which have a cash prize of $2,300, as well as a 1-year subscription to D5 Pro, as well as 900 D5 grains and a D5 user interview. There's also a couple other prizes in here as well. So there's definitely a bunch of different prizes in here. It's definitely worth participating just to kind of go after those. So there's also multiple different subscriptions to D5 Pro on the table as well. There's more information about the different rules in the notes down below. You can read about this. Just make sure that you read the instructions. There's different things that you're supposed to include with this, like information about your specs, other things like that. Just make sure that you actually read through those when you do your submission. So they also tell you exactly what the criteria on which people are going to be judged is, so you can see that down below as well. Just make sure that you read that when you're putting your presentation together. And then down below they show you who the jury is. So they've got a number of familiar YouTubers as well as other folks in here as well. So 3D artists. So Min's in here from Architecture Inspirations, Nuno Silva's in here as well. So it's a pretty strong group of judges in here that know a bunch about rendering. So they've got a great team of folks that are going to be doing the actual judging. So obviously the entries need to be created in D5 Render since it is a D5 Render challenge. But if you're interested, make sure you check out the forum post for more information. Make sure you read the instructions. I'm going to be following along with this and seeing what people create. So super excited to see where this goes, but leave a comment below. Let me know if you're interested, if you're going to be giving this a try. I just love having that conversation with you guys. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.